Hello, you're welcome to Afis and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a game pass in Please Donate on your Roblox. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here is my game pass. I'm going to actually show you in this video how to actually create a game pass in Please Donate. So guys, let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Roblox app like this. So now that you are on your Roblox app, at the bottom of the screen, you can see the more option. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking here, you can see where it says create. So you need to go ahead and click on create like this. So right here at the top left corner, you can see this three-line icon. You need to go ahead and click on that like this. Then go ahead and scroll and click on creation. You can see that. Below home, you can see creation. So you need to go ahead and click on creation like this. Now if yours is on public, you can actually leave it that way. If yours is on private, you need to switch it to public. So you need to switch it to public like this, or you can actually switch to public right here. Looking right here, you can see make private. What is going to be showing there is make public if yours is on private. So you need to go ahead and switch it to public like this, because you need to switch the game pass to public so that people can actually donate to you. So right here, looking here, you can see this place. You need to go ahead and click on this like this. When you do that, you're going to be able to see your dashboard. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top left corner as well. So now when you click on that, you need to scroll down like this. Click on it like this and scroll down. Now below monetization, you're going to see where it says passes. So you need to go ahead and click on passes like this. So right here, you can see that I've actually created a pass here previously, but I'm going to show you how I actually did it. So you need to go ahead and click on create pass. You can see create a pass right here. So you need to click on create a pass. Now mind you, you can actually add a picture to your pass. Now the picture should be 512 by 512 pixels. You can go ahead and add a name right here. Now let's say subscribe to this channel. Let's say like this video. So after adding the name and the description, you can go ahead and click on create a pass. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to be clicking on that like this. So right here, you've been able to create a pass. Looking here, you can see that the current price of the pass we just created is off sale. So you need to go ahead and add a price to it in order to make it public. So here, you can see where it says subscribe to this channel. That is actually the name of our pass. So you need to go ahead and tap on that like this. So when you do that, at the top left corner, you can see the three-line icon as well. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are going to be able to see the option of basic settings and sales. So you need to go ahead and click on sales like this. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says price. So you need to go ahead and toggle this on in order to allow the item to be on sale. So you need to set a default price for the pass you just created. So let's say you want to be selling it at 20 Roblox. Then you can go ahead and click on save changes. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So you need to go ahead and click on that, then go ahead and click on proceed. So looking here, it says pass update successfully. So you've been able to create a pass on Roblox. So going back like this, looking here, you can see that the pass has been enabled and it is now public. Now the current price for our pass is 20 Roblox. So in order for you to actually create a game pass in Please Donate, you need to actually move out from this place. Since you've actually created a game pass, you need to move out from this section and go to your home screen. Now your home screen like this, you can go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner and search for Please Donate. So when you search for the game like this, you need to go ahead and click on the game and click on the play button at the bottom of the screen. So right here is your game. You just need to follow the arrow wherever the arrow is going. Now if you get to this point where you can see stand claim, you need to tap and hold on that like this and you'll be able to claim it. So this is how easy it is to create a Game Pass, and please donate. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now do it to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.